Bitcoin to stay sort of correlated to stocks, inflation, and some of these other traditional market gauges?
Yeah, it's really interesting. And the reason we bring up this question today, Emily, is there's tons of crypto hedge funds out there doing that quantitative work, trying to figure out the correlations that truly exist. Let's take a look at the copycat issue that we're seeing when it comes to Bitcoin and the NASDAQ. You are seeing quite a significant correlation there between early 2020 and 2021, and a correlation that's been rising when it comes to Bitcoin and the benchmark NASDAQ 100 index. That correlation hasn't always existed, as you could see here. Sometimes it's been in the red, but there's also another correlation that's much more popular and something that is now up for question in a lot of ways, and that is the idea of Bitcoin and inflation. Let's bring up Bitcoin and the 4-year returns. You are really seeing ways to go here in terms of possible Bitcoin returns, but interestingly, see that most recent decline in the white line there. You've seen Bitcoin decline into this year, even though we've seen the hottest inflation here in 40 years. So is it that Bitcoin is being more related to stocks and technology stocks and less related to inflation, or just a lot of these moves already priced in and the correlations breaking down, Emily?
Now, this is really interesting because there was this letter sent to investors today by Dan Morehead's Pantera Capital saying crypto is often correlated to macro issues, but only for about a couple of months. Joey Krug from Pantera saying, we think over the next number of weeks, crypto is basically going to decouple from traditional markets and begin to trade on its own again. What do you make of that? Yeah, so super interesting here, and that's exactly what I was trying to get at when I was talking about some of these correlations breaking down. Now, you had Dan Morehead, one of the biggest macro traders that really pivoted to crypto, making more than 60,000% in returns, really saying that they think there's more of a way to go here in Bitcoin, and some of these correlations breaking down and will break down even more moving forward.